Welcome to Animal Care Expo.
The animal welfare community is just amazing.
I'm excited about what we're doing together and what we can continue to do together.
Great to see people from different parts of the country, all over the world, with a united mission.
You know, the compassion people have for animals, the stories that you hear.
It's always very interesting to see how other people deal with the same issues.
I don't think anyone can come here and not leave with an incredible amount of knowledge.
And also get out there and meet the vendors.
The future of animal welfare. So exciting.
Congratulations to all of the amazing contestants that we had on the stage.
It's my first time being here. Great experience so far.
It's an experience that I greatly recommend.
It's a lot of fun too.